Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you have not verified your Apple ID. Tap OK to review the instructions. So guys, if you have created your Apple ID but you have not verified your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you verify your Apple ID and how can you fix this problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you have created your Apple ID and you have not verified it and you are trying to access App Store or iTunes and you're facing this message again and again and you are not able to use iTunes or App Store in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you verify your Apple ID to access App Store and iTunes on your iPhone. So I simply go back to your home screen and here I will show you how can you verify your Apple ID. So I simply open settings in your device and from here tap on your profile, tap on sign in and security, and from here tap on edit button from here, and from here tap on add email or phone number, and from here you have to tap on add an email address. So guys, from here you have to simply enter your email address and after this a verification code will be sent to this email address which you enter here. So guys, you will have to simply give that verification code here and after this your email address will be verified here. So guys, after this go back and from here you have to again tap on add email or phone number and tap on add a phone number from here and wait for some seconds and from here select your country or region and after this you have to enter your phone number. So I'll enter your valid phone number and after this you have to give the verification code that is sent to your phone number. So guys, after giving verification code which is sent to your phone number and your email address will be verified and your Apple ID will also be verified on your iPhone. So in this way you can easily verify your Apple ID on your iPhone. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.